Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to import and edit Google Docs in Canva. If you're someone who loves the versatility of Google Docs, but wishes you could give your documents a creative flair, this guide is just for you. Today, we'll explore how to seamlessly import your Google Docs into Canva, making it possible to enhance your documents with Canva's amazing design capabilities. It's like merging the best of both worlds, content creation and stunning design. Let's dive right in and see how easily you can transform your documents. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and type in Canva in the search bar. Once you see the Canva website in the search results, give it a click. For those of you who are already part of the Canva community, simply log in using your existing credentials. If you're new to Canva, don't worry. Setting up an account is straightforward and quick, and it opens the door to a plethora of design opportunities. Once you've successfully logged into Canva and find yourself on the homepage, focus your attention on the sidebar or the top menu. This is where the magic begins. Look for the section labeled Projects. This section acts as your central hub for all your Canva projects. Next, search for the Add New button. Clicking on this button presents you with a variety of options. For today's task, select the Import from App option. This feature is incredibly useful as it allows you to bring in content from different applications, such as Google Docs. Alternatively, if you're already in the middle of creating something fabulous in Canva, there's another way to connect to Google Drive. Simply navigate to the Apps section within the Canva editor. Here you can search for and select Google Drive. If this is your first time connecting your Google account to Canva, you'll be prompted to do so. Just click Connect and follow the on-screen steps to sign in and grant Canva the necessary permissions to access your Google Drive files. Think of this step as syncing your data across platforms, ensuring a smoother workflow. Once you've connected, a window will pop up displaying your Google Drive folders. You can either use the search bar to quickly locate the specific Google Doc you want, or manually browse through your folders if they're neatly organized. This feature makes it incredibly simple to find exactly what you need. When you find your desired document, select it and hit the Upload or Import button. You'll see the document start to upload, and soon it will appear in your Canva projects list. Now that your document is in Canva, it's time for the exciting part, editing. Click on your document to open it in Canva's editor. Here, you have the freedom to edit text, change fonts, and add images or graphics. You can transform a plain document into a visually engaging masterpiece. Canva's editor is user-friendly, so feel free to explore all the design elements it offers to enhance your document. Whether you're designing marketing materials, creating educational resources, or working on a personal project, this integration provides endless possibilities. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully imported and started editing a Google Doc in Canva. At PMN Online, we encourage you to keep experimenting with these tools and let your creativity flow. Hopefully this guide helped you easily learn how to import and edit Google Docs in Canva. If you want more videos like how to import and edit Google Docs in Canva, subscribe to our channel PMN Online.